Hola, hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Welcome to the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is the word impressive in Spanish. We're going to learn how to use this important word. But before we watch this, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos weekly. And if you subscribe, you may want to consider my premium membership. For less than a cup of coffee, you can gain access to perks and benefits like downloadables and a Spanish lesson once a month. Okay, let's commence. Impressive in Spanish is impresionante. 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 Repite después de mí. Repeat after me. Impresionante. Impresionante. If you want to say how impressive, you'd say qué impresionante. Qué impresionante. Can you say that? ¡Qué impresionante! ¡Qué impresionante! Make sure that you repeat after me. This is very important. Now, if you want to say very impressive, you would say muy impresionante. Muy impresionante. Muy impresionante, like the way this girl is playing there with these flames. Muy impresionante. Muy spelled M-U-Y. By the way, make sure you watch till the end. I have a few exercises for my more advanced students. It's impressive. Es impresionante, like this forest. Es impresionante. Es impresionante. We tend to join the words together in Spanish also. Es impresionante. Es impresionante. Es impresionante. Now, if you want to say impressed and you're a male, you would say impresionado, like this gentleman here. If you're talking about a female, then you would say impresionada. Male, impresionado. Female, impresionada. And that means impressed. If you want to say I was very impressed, you would say me quedé muy impresionado. Me quedé muy impresionado, which literally means I was left very impressed. Me quedé muy impresionado. You can also say yo estaba muy impresionado, but it's always good to enhance our vocabulary and use different ways of saying the same things. I was impressed, and if you're a female, you'd say me quedé impresionada. Me quedé is a stronger way of saying I was impressed. Me quedé impresionada. You can always say yo estaba impresionada, but it's a little bit weak. If you want to add a little bit of strength, you can say me quedé impresionada. He is impressed. Él está impresionado. Él está impresionado. Él está impresionado. And a native would say él está impresionado. That's right, we tend to join the words together. We also do it in English. We don't realize it because we're so used to it, but we also do. She's impressed. Ella está impresionada. Ella está impresionada. Ella está impresionada. Fantástico. Now we're going to see a few examples using the past tense. So are you ready? Don't give up. Make sure that you repeat after me. He was impressed. Él estaba impresionado. Él estaba impresionado. Look at his face. He's truly, or he was truly impressed. What is he looking at? Él estaba impresionado. I think he's impressed with you. Okay. She was impressed. Ella estaba impresionada. Ella estaba impresionada. I'll say it despacito, slowly. Ella estaba impresionada. Otro ejemplo. If you want to say he looked or she looked impressed, you would say se veía impresionado. If you're talking about this guy. se veía impresionado. If you're talking about a girl, you would say se veía impresionada. Get it? Impresionado male, impresionada female. If you want to ask someone, are you impressed? You would say, ¿estás impresionado? ¿Estás impresionada? Wow, look at that beautiful place. I'm impressed. Yo estoy impresionado. ¿Estás impresionado? ¿Estás impresionada? We can ask this girl. ¿Estás impresionada? Look at this scenery. Impresionante. And say, wow, impresionante, impressive. Okay, now I'm introducing a new part to my videos. Let's conjugate. This is just a test. Let me know if you like this, and I will start adding all the pronouns. I'll test it. I'll test the waters depending on how many comments I get. Yo estoy impresionado. I am impressed. Yo estoy impresionada. I am impressed. Female. Can you say it? Yo estoy, I am, impresionado, impressed. Tú estás impresionado. You are impressed. Tú estás impresionada. You are impressed, female. Okay, so let's move on to the next pronoun. We got yo, tú, and we're doing the verb estar. We practicing the verb estar. He is impressed. Él está impresionado. Again, that look. Or you could say, ella está impresionada, if there was a female there. So, yo estoy impresionado. Tú estás impresionado. Él está impresionado. Siguiente. She is impressed. Ella está impresionada. Ella está impresionada. That means she's impressed. Ella está impresionada. Usted, which is formal you, usted está impresionado. You, like you, sir, you are impressed. Usted está impresionado. Or if you're talking to a female authority figure, you would say, usted está impresionada. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you want me to start conjugating these words. And I will do it because I want to help you to feel confident and advance with your Spanish learning. Okay, time for the most advanced students. Yo estoy muy impresionado porque estás aprendiendo español muy rápido. Te felicito. Es realmente impresionante el esfuerzo que dedicas a aprender el lenguaje español. No te rindas. Continúa. Lo puedes lograr. Muy bien, amigos. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you very soon. Please give me a like and share this video with other people that you may know that may be learning Spanish, with your friends or your relatives. And let's grow this channel together. I hope to see you soon. I will be uploading another video very soon. I'm back at school, so I'm teaching in the classroom once again. So I'll do all my best to produce a few more videos for this week. Hope to see you soon. Adios. Ciao, ciao.